Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix account is currently suspended on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that your account is currently suspended, so let's see some possible fixes about that. So the very first thing you have to check that you're connected to the strongest and stable network connection, and you have to also check that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that. After that, you just have to simply open your TikTok app and here tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner, and then you just have to tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and look for this help center option. Select that, and here you'll get the option of suspended account. Select that option, and here you have to simply tap to check if your account has been suspended. And here you have to try to log in with your account. So after that, if your account has been suspended, you will get the result here. So after checking your suspendation, you just have to tap on three dots again, then select this help center again, and here just select recover your account, and here just select account recovery option. And now you just have to enter your username or your email address or your phone number on which you have your TikTok account. And after that, just tap on search option and you'll find your account. And after that, you have to submit a request to TikTok support team to unsuspend your account. And after that, you'll get a confirmation mail on your mail or on your phone number. So your account will be unsuspended. You will be able to use your account on your TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.